On first installation, it's good practice to run both pumps and 3-port valve to test before starting the unit. Simply press the menu button once, scroll all the way across using the right arrow, and you will find the service menu with the spanner and the screwdriver. Press the tick to access it. The password is a default 0000, so simply press the tick. It will start loading the service menu. Now we can go into manual operation, and it's going to ask me to shut down the system. We are going to shut it down. System shut down, yes. Now we're back at manual test. Press the tick button. We have 3 pumps in this scenario and a 3-port valve. Pump 1 stands for the primary pump, doing heating and hot water. Pump 2 is the heating pump, an extra pump because this is a big house. There's an extra pump on the line for heating only. Pump 4 is because there is a bronze pump circulating through a plate heat exchanger, as there's no coil in this Ecodan indoor unit. 3-way valve means the diverting valve between heating and hot water. If we want to access them, simply highlight the pump you want to access, press the tick. That will highlight pump 1, and in a few seconds you can hear the pump to start. So if we have any errors in the system when we're starting off, that we want to make sure that the pump is running and there's no airlocks, we can activate the pump. Similar to pump 2 on the heating, we can activate pump 2. Pump 2 is now on. To deactivate the pumps, press the tick button once more again until it's unhighlighted. To select the bronze pump, to make sure you have flow on the hot water circulation side, simply click on pump 4, highlight, and the pump will run. To turn it off, simply click the button again. Finally, the 3-port valve will always be in heating mode. When you highlight it and press the tick, this shows that it's now in hot water mode. So for a new installation that you wanted to flush the lines on both heating and hot water, and if you have power to your controller, you can simply go into manual operation, activate your primary pump, activate your 3-port to flush the entire system, to get the air out of the system. To come back out, simply click the anti-clockwise button once and you're back in the service menu. All pumps will turn off.